This is from our FOSS ebook module, Structures of Life, pages 74 through 77, The Human Skeleton. One of the most marvelous systems in the world is the human body. The many parts of your body work together, allowing you to walk, run, jump, and play. Even while you sleep, your body keeps working. Your skeleton is an important part of you. It is the framework of your body and gives the body its shape. As you grow, your skeleton grows and changes with you. Your bones grow, and some even fuse together. By the time you are 1 year old, your skeleton has about 206 different bones. Super protectors. Bones do more than just support the body. They also protect the soft organs inside. Here are some bones that act as armor for your organs. Skull. The skull keeps the brain and sensory organs safe from harm. The skull is made up of 26 different bones. The lower jaw and the tiny ear bones are the only bones in the skull that move. Did you know that your teeth are not bones? They are hard bone-like structures. Teeth have a hard outer layer and a soft, pulpy inner layer. The outer layer of a tooth is covered with a super strong coating of enamel, which is the hardest substance in the human body. Ribs. In your chest are 12 pairs of ribs. These ribs protect the heart, lungs, spleen, stomach, and liver. As you breathe in, your ribs move up and out. This helps your lungs take in more air. Pelvis. The pelvis is made up of 3 bones. One is a bone at the base of the spine called the sacrum. The 2 other bones are the hip bones that make up the pelvic girdle. The pelvic girdle cradles and shields the intestines and the bladder. A flexible framework. Each bone in the human body is hard and unbending, yet the skeleton itself is flexible. Joints make it possible for the skeleton to move. Joints are the places where 2 or more bones meet. Some joints allow a lot of movement. Others move only a little. Bones are held in place by connective tissues. Cartilage is a kind of connective tissue. It is found at the ends of bones. Cartilage protects the bones and helps joints move smoothly. Ligaments are another type of connective tissue. They hold the bones together at the joints. Bones don't move by themselves. Muscles move bones. Together, bones and muscles allow movement to happen at joints. How? Tendons, another type of connective tissue, connect muscles to bones. When a muscle contracts or shortens, the tendons pull the bones, causing movement. Here are some super flexible parts of your body. The spine. The spine is the backbone of the body. The 26 bones in the spine are called vertebrae. They have cartilage between them, allowing the spine to bend and twist. Shoulder. The scapula or shoulder blade and the arm are connected to many muscles and ligaments. This flexible shoulder joint allows you to swing your arm in a full circle. Try it. Hip. The femur or thigh bone is the longest bone in your body. One end of it fits perfectly into your pelvis at your hip. The hip joint allows you to kick to the front and to the side. What's inside your bones? The bones in your body are living tissue. They are made mostly of calcium and protein. To stay strong, bones need oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. A good diet and plenty of exercise can help keep bones healthy and strong. A bone is made up of several different parts. First, the hard outer layer. The hard outer layer gives the bone its strength. It is made of dense, compact bone. The spongy inner layer. The spongy inner layer makes the bone light. This same spongy material makes up the ends of the bone. Blood vessels. Blood vessels bring oxygen and other nutrients to the bone. The marrow cavity. The marrow cavity is the space in the center of the bone. It contains bone marrow. The marrow cavity is found only in long bones, such as the leg and arm bones. Bone marrow. Bone marrow is a tissue that makes blood cells. It is found in the marrow cavity of some bones. Periosteum. The periosteum is a thin, tough layer that covers the bone's surface. Name that bone. Sure, you can touch your kneecap, but can you point to your patella? Check out the scientific terms for some of the bones in your body. The maxilla is the upper jaw. Mandible is the lower jaw. Scapula is the shoulder blade. The clavicle is the collarbone. The sternum is your breastbone. The coccyx is your tailbone. Humerus, radius, and ulna make up your arm bones. Carpals are your wrist bones. Phalanges are your finger bones. Femur, tibia, and fibula are your leg bones. The patella is your kneecap. The tarsals are your foot and ankle bones, and your phalanges also are your toe bones.